This is a video of Gabino's Mexican Grill, located here off of the Parkway, right by Ingalls, and they're open every day, and the food is absolutely delicious. You need to come by and sample it and taste it. It's right over here by the Executive Inn over here, and in fact you can see the Tanger sign in the background, and Burger King and the package store over there. You can see it all, not too far from the Parkway over here. And come on, visit them sometime and enjoy the good food. We just got done eating some of it, and it's awesome. Have a good day, and God bless you.